Hi guys, 4th of June 2019, Piotr here, and this is a Bitcoin and crypto quick market preview for light Forex. Let's start with risk warning, guys. Please bear in mind trading crypto on margin carries a high level of risk, may not be suitable for all investors who can sustain a loss of some or all your initial investment. So please do not invest the money that you cannot afford to lose. All right, so what we have, the last time you remember we met right ahead of the end of the month. All right, so based on the monthly close, it's good. It was at or right above the high from the July 2018, right? That's what we discussed last time. You are more than welcome to visit the YouTube Global Light Forex channel and to check the archive, all right, if you don't know what we are talking about here. Now, we were discussing that the monthly close is important, but also what I don't like a bit is this upper shadow over here, right, on the monthly chart. And we were discussing that this pullback is possible here. Now, based on this monthly chart, where this pullback may bring us. Okay, we are getting closer. We are talking about this highs from the October 2018, from the August 2018, etc. Right? It looks like the upper shadow month ago was good reason to start June with a little bit of sell-off to scare people a bit. But right now, that's what we discussed, the whole zone over here should work as possible demand, right? So in case you don't know the breakdown level 6,000, 5,800, definitely as long as we are above the bulls from the medium and long-term perspective should be fine here. So the aggressive buyers looking around 7,500, then we are going to switch to lower time frame. We will see different levels, but here on monthly we should at least try to hold. It might be that during the June we will go lower, but it would be great to have the lower shadow and the closing the June above current level, right? That's how we have the things here. Now let's switch lower to weekly, and that's the thing I don't like here. All right, of course we are trying to hold this level, and as you can see here, that's good, right? And after the breakdown we are trying to hold. What I don't like here on the weekly is some kind of the swing high creation, right? So 2 weeks ago we had a high, week ago we had a higher high, but this current week high is equal to what we've seen 2 weeks ago, and it's a swing high creation, right? And to be honest with you, I don't like this stuff. On the other hand, if we are going to close that way, right, we know where is the next liquidity pool, right? We know where is the next liquidity pool, and based on supply and demand, that might be the case of Riley, that might be the case in that case of base, and trying to take out some stops might be Riley base Riley scenario. That's what I'm looking for. Now daily, if just remember, right, monthly where we are, what we are testing, weekly what we are testing as well, right? Now the daily it really looks like some kind of the manipulation might be in place. What I'm talking about, we saw this run above 9,000, right, or towards 9,000, then strong pullback, attempt to rally, and lower low, right? So in that case, we have a lower high, lower low, right? But it might be just one correction, right? So it's another thing which support this 7,600 level, right? As well as this consolidation ahead of the break to the upside. So overall, trying to summarize, Bitcoin looks good as long as we are above 7,600, 7,650, all right? Unfortunately, cannot be ruled out attempt to break lower, but then what I would like to see, I would like to see weekly close above previous week low, and I would like to see monthly close above this broken highs we discussed, right? So that's what I would like to see. Of course, we are going to monitor over the course of the June crypto market, so we will get back here for sure. Ethereum, from the monthly perspective, no change actually here. Long way to go towards 400. From the weekly perspective, it looks a little bit easier to navigate, right? So what we had, we broke through this 200 zone over here, the blue one, right? Based on the distances we discussed last time, right? I do expect this 400, so the supply from based on the monthly is gonna to be tested. What we have right now retest of the broken supply, now should work as a demand. So I do expect demand a little bit above 200, right? We tested first supply based on what we've seen late August 2018, right? This breakdown over here. So we are testing this right now over here. So it's a little bit of the up and down in between 280 and let's say 220, 200 level. That's what we discussed last time. I do expect some kind of the consolidation. It's gonna be very healthy for this type of the move, and then attempt to break higher towards 380. All right, that's how I see the things here. So that's it for now from the Bitcoin and Ethereum perspective, and see you around. Have a good day. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.